Oh, big drum. He was taking your pole in, Gracie.
What is
if I wouldn't, it's a drum. Pull him up here.
What's a drum?
It's a type of fish. Here. Oh, here, you hold the. Nice. Turn it long ways. We went over there to look at Jackie's depth finder. Pole was going in the water. I did a slide at second base to get the stinking pole. Did you see that? I got it too.
Here.
Wanna let him go? Okay. Check him back in.
Oh. Master.
All right, now the little drum. Grab him by the body, son. Now go ahead and reach a hold of his hook there and just pull it right on out. Got him?
Yeah.
All right, toss him back. Worms are the trick right now.
Nice.
Good job, son. Get him up here. Oh, he's a perfect kind.
I'm taking a video.
Oh, okay. Here, get me in it. I'm the star. I didn't think he was very big, but he took it real nice. Yeah, Kenton, you better get over here on this pole.
It's okay, go ahead.
Just keep an eye on this one.
Oh, that's a nice one too.
I want to film it here.
That's a nice one.
It's a nice one.
Go ahead and reel that up. He's a nice 7, 8, 10 pounds.
Think?
Oh yeah.
I don't know if you catch one that big.
Yeah, that's a nice one.
You gonna be able to get him in?
Oh yeah. I'm just wearing him out.
You sure it's a carp? Not a catfish?
Yeah, it's a cat or a carp. It's a catfish. He's a 10-pound cat. You don't want to come next to the bank though. He's getting wore out. Oh, it's a cat.
Let me see.
That's
Missed
a big
him.
cat.
I missed him. Come on, get him on in. Keep an eye on my pole, at least, son, over there. Okay.
Oh yeah, he's a big old cat.
Ooh. He's about a pound. There you go.
Yeah, he's not bad.
Oh, not bad. Ooh.
We'll keep him.
You gonna keep him?
Oh yeah, we're gonna keep him. Where's your stringer?
Get it.
Take a picture.
It's a bass. I thought it was a catfish.
I wanted a catfish.
Yeah, but that is a nice bass, sis. Reach down there and grab him in the mouth.
Uh-oh.
It's okay. That's a nice bass, sis. Get him. Grab his mouth real hard. Pick him right on up. Oh,
Wow.
grab him, grab him, grab him, grab him.
Gosh.
You got him. Grab him. Grab him like you own him. There you go.
He's big.
He is big. Oh my gosh, sis. Way to go. Can you get him off the hook? Need a pair
Ow.
you need a pair of pliers?
I just think I can't grab him.
Okay.
Ow. He's heavy.
Oh man, that's a good one. You want me-
This camera's good.
Is it a bass? Is it another bass, Gracie? Ooh, it's a little better catfish. Yikes. He's not. Oh, that looks like a blue to me.
Wow.
Wow. Not bad. Boy. Hurry up and get him back in here. Should take my picture with this one.
Jay, you want me to end it?
Uh,
Hold it long.
That's what we're talking about right here, folks.
Let me get underneath. Okay, I'm ending it.